Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to do common denominator for this one. Now we combine number 2 and the square root of 4 plus x. Next, we have the formula in here. A minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So I want to cancel about the square root by b to the power of 2. So we just have only a minus b. So we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So if we expand this one, we have 4 minus number 4 plus x because we have the power 2 in here. That's why we cancel about the square root. 4 minus 4, we have number 0. The negative and the positive of x, we have negative x. So x divided by x, we cancel. Now we can put number 0 on here and here. So we have the final answer. And this one we have negative number 1 over 8. This is the end. Thank you for watching.